Today, we discuss how to digitally sign PDFs in .NET. All right, welcome back, everybody. As I said, today we're going to look at how to digitally sign a PDF document in .NET using IronPDF. A digital signature binds a certificate to the document content, so any modification after signing will invalidate it. We'll sign a contract PDF using a PFX certificate file. So first things first, let us look at the NuGet package manager. Under the Installed tab, you can see IronPDF by IronPDF development team is already added to the project at version 2026.7.2. That's the only package that you're going to need for this tutorial. So we start by loading the existing PDF file using pdf-document.fromFile. We pass the full path to the contract file. IronPDF reads the document and then returns a PDF document that we can work with programmatically. Here, we create a PDF signature object. We pass two arguments, the path to the PFX certificate and the password to unlock it. The PFX file contains both the certificate and the private key needed to sign the document cryptographically. So these three properties embed metadata into the signature. Signing reason describes why the document was signed. Signing location records where it was signed. And signature date captures the local timestamp at the time of signing. This information becomes part of the signature and is visible inside PDF viewers that support the digital certificates. These two properties add a trusted timestamp to the signature, and the timestamp URL points to DigiCert's timestamp authority server. The timestamp hash algorithm is set to SHA-256, and this is important because a trusted timestamp proves cryptographically when the document was signed and independent from the local system clock. This matters obviously for legal filings and regulated submissions. So we call the sign method on the PDF document and pass our signature object. This applies the certificate to the document content, and then we call save as to write the signed document to disk as contract signed PDF. After this point, any modification to the document will break the signature. So now let's take a quick look at the contract we are signing. This is a software services agreement between NexaBridge Solutions LLC and Orion Dynamics Corporation. And this is a file that we just loaded in the code. So now let's run the program. All right, and the program finished, and the signal file has been saved. Now let's open the output file, contractsign.pdf. In the PDF viewer, we can go to Protect, then Manage Signatures, and then Digital Certificates. And you can see the certificate is listed under the name Jonathan R. Caldwell, stored in the Windows Certificate Store. The certificate info shows the issuer, the valid from and valid to dates, and the intended usage as digital signature. The signature is embedded in the document and tied to its content at the time of signing. And that's it. That's how you digitally sign a PDF in .NET using IronPDF. Just load the document, create a PDF signature with your certificate, set the metadata and timestamp, sign, and save. You can find the full IronPDF documentation at ironsoftware.com. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, slam the like button if you want to see more tutorials from us. Leave a comment because we are lonely and have no friends and want to talk to people. And if you want to get started with IronPDF, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.